This is a quick demo showing you how we'll be using WalkMe to support the use of Salesforce Lightning. When users log into Salesforce Lightning, they will see the WalkMe Help menu at the bottom right-hand corner. This menu will stay visible regardless of which tab you are on. You can use this menu to search for help on any topic related to Salesforce. So you'll see that we have several options already loaded. Let's pretend that you want to create a new account. So if you type in account, the relevant search items will pop up. So one thing to note is that I'm on the home page here. If I want to create the new account and I click here, WalkMe automatically navigates to the Accounts tab and starts the navigation. This means that you no longer have to understand how to navigate the system to complete your work. So if we follow the navigation or the guidance here, WalkMe tells you to select a record type, then click Next. I'm going to leave it End User, continue on. Then you'll see the guidance on the new account form page. So when I start to fill this out, you'll see it guides me through to the fields that are important. For the search for parent account, this is optional, so if you don't know the parent account, you can go ahead and click Next. Website is also optional. If you go ahead and click Next, it'll take you to the next step. If you start to type in a website, WalkMe will look for a valid website before moving on to the next step. The same thing happens when you're filling out the phone number. WalkMe looks for a valid US phone number format before moving you on to the address. There's a new Google search address tool within Lightning, so we prompt that you should use that. When you click on search address, all you have to do is start to type in the beginnings of the address. Once you find what you're looking for, you click on that and it fills in the rest of the fields for you. Since WalkMe recognizes that you already have the address filled out and all the required fields, it prompts you to click Save. Once you do that, you'll get a congratulatory message saying that you completed the task of creating a new account. Nothing needs done here. The pop-up will automatically disappear. So let's say that you do know how to get to where you create a new account and you want to do this, we'll call it the old-fashioned way. When you click on New and follow the steps, you'll see that the guidance isn't here. However, we have populated what we call smart tips. So this way you don't have to have the pop-ups, but you can still see the important information. You can see what's required versus what's recommended. You'll also see that there's a requirement for the phone and address telling you the format that you should fill out or how you should fill in the address. This information is missing from the standard page layout, so now you can easily see the required fields before you hit save and avoid those validation errors. Now let's say you want to create a new contact. Starting out at the home page again, I'll type in contact. I'll choose new contact, and when I do that, it takes you to the accounts tab again, but this time it prompts you to search for the account that you want to create the new contact for. So this makes sure you're starting in the right place in Salesforce, right? So when I click on an account, it continues on with the guidance. This will flow the same way that the create a new account did. So the WalkMe menu also includes shortcuts to important information. So let's say you want to find your open opportunities. You can type in opportunity and you'll see my open opportunities. So when you click on this, it will automatically take you to the opportunities tab in the list view of my open opportunities. We've also included things like your PMP dashboard. So if you don't remember how to get to that, all you do is click this link and it takes you straight to Tableau. The other nice thing is that training can be assigned directly within WalkMe. So if you want to learn how to create a new account, or maybe we have a new hire starting that we want to assign these training tasks to, You can track your progress against these trainings directly within the system. And the training is just like we just demonstrated. It's going through the steps, completing the activity while you're learning. So no more tip sheets and trying to navigate what's on the paper next to you and then going back into the system. You're doing it all at once. All right, so this is just the beginning of what we're building. There's going to be a lot more to come, but hopefully this gives you an idea of how we'll be using WalkMe within our system.